Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another Cydia tweaks video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys some beautiful tweak. You can download it in your jailbroken device. Of course, I'm talking here for those who already jailbreak their devices, starting from the iOS 11 up to iOS 12, 12.1.1 up to 12.1.2. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be not miss any one of these tweaks video. Okay, so let me start right now with the first tweak that I have for you guys in today's video. Let me talking first of all about the OnlyLableForFolder. So basically when you download the tweak, that tweak will be make the file hidden. You can't see it, but once you press on it, it will giving you just the labels. So you can take a look right now. If I want to launch my folder here, it just become with the labels. This is pretty much the tweak once you download it in your iDevice. Once you download the tweak has nothing to configure under the settings. It will be work right away once you install the tweak in your iDevice. So if you're looking to download that kind of stuff, you can go ahead and download the OnlyLableForFolder. Let me go ahead right now and jump to talking about the second Cydia tweak, the AppLableXmas. So pretty much when you download the tweak, that tweak will be for the Christmas. So once you download it, it will bring a nice emoji like smile face, a Christmas tree, and also snowman under each single application that you have. And also under the settings, also once you go to your spotlight, when you press on the search, you will be see the three emojis under each single application. You can take a look at it right now. Let me showing you how it looks like. This is the way, and as I told you, a smile face, Christmas tree, and the snowman. So this is what pretty much the tweak will be, or how is it work once you download it in your iDevice. About the settings, there is nothing to configure. Once you download the tweak, it will be work right away in your iDevice. If you're looking to bring some Christmas stuff in your iDevice, go ahead and download the AppLableXmas. Let me go ahead right now to talking about the third Cydia tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, the NightshadeLight. When you download the tweak, that tweak will be allow you to customize and put some colors in each single application if you want to, or the settings anywhere you want, you name it. Alright, so if we go ahead right now and jump under the settings, first of all, go ahead and enable the tweak, and we have the nightshade cloud, but there's nothing under that. So you need to work under the options. So under the options, you have the UI theming. If you press on it, that will be taking you to more than color here. So basically you can colorize the background color, the cell color, and also you have the tags, the cell operator, or the account. As I told you guys, is a lot of different kind of stuff. You can just simply tap on the color here. You can choose your favorite color. Also, we have another section under the options, which is going to be for the listed apps here. So you can choose the apps from in there. You can toggle any kind of application from in there after you choose the color. Once you're done, go ahead and respring your device. So your device will be take the effect. And as I show you guys right now, I picked the settings here, and let me just go ahead right now and respring my device to showing you guys the colors that I put already under the settings. So if you take a look at it right now, this is how it's gonna be looks like. And also, as I show you guys, you can do put more colors in different kind of application the way you like if you wish. Anyway, so this is the NightshadeLight. As I show you guys, what is it? Basically will be put on your iDevice if you're looking to download that kind of stuff. As I told you guys, the tweak called NightshadeLight. The next Cydia tweak will be the LSUpdateView. So pretty much your device always, your lock screen, you have the date underneath the time. Once you download that tweak will be replace that, so you will be see your date will be in the top and your time will be in the bottom. Once you download the tweak, that tweak doesn't have anything to configure from under the settings. It will be work right away. If you want to take a look at it right now, I already take a screenshot. You can see right now how is it looks like. This is the way after you download the tweak. It's kind of looking a little bit messy. That's because I use my 5S, you know, it's a small screen, but I think once you use it in different kind of device like bigger screen, I think it will be really beautiful. If you're looking to download that kind of tweak, as I told you guys, go ahead and download LSUpdateView. The next Cydia tweak, let me talking about the ColorCodeLogs. So pretty much when you download the tweak, that tweak will be make you to colorize the income, outgoing, even the missed call on your iDevice. If I want to go ahead right now to showing you guys what I mean, if you want to go to your dial here and you can take a look, like if I have a missed call, if I have outgoing, incoming call, it comes with a different kind of colors. So if I want to go right now under the settings, I can do more different kind of stuff. First of all, go ahead and enable the tweak, and you can see right now here we have 3 different options. As I told you guys, the income call, and we have the outgoing call, and we have the missed call. So you can choose your favorite color from here if you wish. After you're done, you can go ahead right now, respring your device, so your device will be take the effect, and this is the way about that tweak. Anyway guys, so as I show you guys, this is the way about that tweak. Once you install it in your iDevice, if you're looking to bring that kind of stuff and customize your incoming, outgoing call, you can go ahead and download ColorCodeLogs. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. This is the most tweak that I want to share with you guys in today's video, in today's tweak. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Once again, don't forget, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.